In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the audit trail in QuickBooks. This is an invaluable feature if you want to keep track of all the changes made within your financial records and ensure complete transparency. Whether you're managing a small business or handling personal finances, having an audit trail allows you to meticulously track every addition, deletion, or modification in your reports. To get started, open your browser and click on the Sign In option. Here, you'll choose QuickBooks Online, which is essential for accessing the online version of QuickBooks where all our work today will take place. If you haven't already set up an account, you'll need to do so, but for those with existing credentials, type them in and continue. This will take you to the main QuickBooks Online interface, where you can access a range of tools and features. Next, let's head over to the Reports tab. This tab is more than just a collection of fancy graphs and charts. It's your gateway to deep insights into your business operations. Once there, direct your attention to the search bar located on the right side of your screen. This handy tool allows you to quickly locate specific reports and features without having to endlessly scroll through menus. Now, type in Audit Log into the search bar. The audit log is essentially a record of all the changes made within your QuickBooks account, your personal history book that captures every edit, addition, or deletion. By typing in audit log, you're directly accessing this comprehensive record where you can audit your own trails. Click on audit log from the search results. This will bring up the page where you can view all user activities. On this page, you'll see details like dates, times, the user who made changes, and what specific changes were made. The interface is quite user-friendly, allowing you to filter through various actions or search by specific users, a vital tool when you're trying to pinpoint particular activities or cross-reference changes made by different team members. Understanding how to use the audit trail effectively can be a game changer in terms of financial security and accountability. You ensure that all entries are monitored, minimize potential fraud, and enhance precision in record keeping. Remember, consistently reviewing this log helps you maintain a tight grip over your financial data management, making your business or personal accounting smoother. And that wraps up our guide on using the audit trail in QuickBooks Online. With these steps, you're well on your way to mastering audit functionalities, keep your financial activities transparent and efficient. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful guides like this one.